A type of luxury item popular in East Asia is lacquer. What is lacquer? East Asian lacquer is derived from the sap of the lac tree, which is indigenous to East Asia, and was used as a shiny and durable finish for objects made from wood, metal, and leather. Lacquer was invented in China during the Neolithic period, but few objects survive from before the year 800 BCE. This gorgeous black and red plate dated to the 3rd century BCE in the Seattle Asian Art Museum is an example of early East Asian lacquerware. The plate was carved from wood and coated with layers of red and black lacquer. The lacquer finish gave it a shiny appearance and made the plate durable and waterproof. The red and black designs were achieved by adding minerals to the sap. Cinnabar was used for red, while iron oxide was used for black. In ancient China, lacquered objects like this one were considered more valuable than bronze because production involved a laborious process of applying layer after layer of lacquer to achieve a final product. Each layer needed to dry and harden before another one was added, making it a time-consuming process. Some lacquerware is made from a few layers of lacquer, while others could have more than 100 layers. Lacquer is also highly toxic in the raw, which makes it a difficult and sometimes deadly material to work with. Only skilled artisans could safely work with this material, raising its value.